3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and ages, etc. We talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Smile details of the hotel surroundings, including details of rooms are available online. You can get them online and enjoy your stay. Travel deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can reach us through the link provided in the description. Or more details, please read description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting.